Hey everyone, YouTube, anybody that watches, thanks for tuning in for this. I wanted to do a video here on some new ammo to me. It's been around for a while, and as far as factory new ammo, first out of the box, I have to say I am super impressed with this. Now this is just a introduction video for me and this ammo to you, obviously. And I will be doing some shooting with this ammo, and of course that will be videoed and we'll show everything and the results. So this is just kind of a introduction, first impressions type video, and I'm really hoping that I can work something out with this company, that they could become the official factory loaded ammo for the Ron Gunner channel. So without further ado, put this here, I'm talking about HPR. Now I'm sure many of you have heard of it before, but it's not available in my particular area. And I want to thank HPR for sending in a few samples for us to try, and they will be filmed within the next couple weeks at the indoor range, and you'll be able to see the results, the accuracy. We may even use a rinse and rest, so take the human factor out of it completely. And we will be shooting into paper targets, and I got another one coming for you, another video with rubber dummies. I know that sounds kind of strange, but this is the most awesome 3D target I've ever seen. And so we'll be shooting that with everything, filming that also. So this is just an introduction video. I know I've said that already, but this is the 380. This is a 90 grain jacketed hollow point, and I really like the detail even in the box. HPR. Now I don't know how well you'll be able to see that in the camera, but that is a good looking round. I can see where this would be do very good penetration. And then here's the 9mm. Obviously there's a difference, as most of you know, but you never know, there are some new people who don't know. And then here is the 45, and all this is their jacketed hollow point, and I believe the 45 is a 230 grain jacketed hollow point, and the 9mm is 115 grain jacketed hollow point. So there's the three standard jacketed hollow point, which obviously is great for personal defense. You want a hollow point round for personal defense because it is your best chance of taking your attacker down with very few shots. The round will actually expand and look somewhat like a flower, therefore going through and doing more damage. Now again, you have a 90, 115, and a 230 grain. Now these are just your standard jacketed hollow points, and we will be shooting these and using these. But what I am most excited about from HPR, and I haven't been this excited over a factory round of ammo for years, since the early 1990s, and most of you once you see this, you may see the resemblance and understand why. HPR Black Ops. That's right, HPR Black Ops. And this is the 45. And this is a 150 grain projectile in 45. I really, really like that round. The box is kind of unique. The way it's set up, cut out for that. Here is the box, the actual outside box. The carrier is what I meant to say is kind of unique here. That's the outside box, and then again you can see, I think you should be able to read that. Freeze the screen there for a second if you have to. And then I also have one in the 9mm, and this is 85 grain. Well, if I can get one out. There we go. Now I'll hold it there for you. Now you can see, I'll show you on the 45 since it's bigger, you get it better. There's your standard hollow point, and then your Black Ops bullet. So there are some, let me come around here so you can see the difference. There are a few differences here. Try to get them lined up. Now again, this is a 230, this is a 150. But you can see the design of the bullet is even different. The inside hole is bigger. Now, for those of you who were around in the early 1990s, you know what that Black Ops represents, or not represents, resembles, I should say. Sorry for that. This is Black Ops. It's the one that, if I'm not mistaken, actually got banned from being made. More or less, the company just changed the name to it. But it used to be Winchester Black Talon. These are reminiscent of that. I have to admit that. So I am really, really looking forward to getting these on the range and see how they perform. I have to tell you, I'm impressed. I mean, you can sit there and say, well, how impressed can you be for a factory round? Well, I can tell you, pretty damn impressed. Especially with the Black Ops. Now, I know this has nothing to do with it, but if you're a Call of Duty type player, you look at this and think, wow, Black Ops rounds. I know it's a stretch, but I'm telling you, I am looking so forward to shooting these and seeing just how well they do. There's a 9mm one again, and you can see the difference in the projectile in both. So this is just a short, why do I always put them in upside down? This is just a short intro into these Now I do know that the Black Ops is a fairly new round for HPR. Put that there and that like that. And then this that way. So I'm really looking forward to getting these at the range. Although I could do the outdoor range since it's 60 some degrees. It's supposed to be Christmas Day, I think it's supposed to be 60 here. So who knows? We may go to the outdoor range for a box or two and then the indoor range and we're going to shoot the rubber dummy. I know you're probably wondering what that is. Look at rubberdummies.com. You'll be surprised. And then check out HPR Ammo. If I am not mistaken, they offer discounts to military and I believe law enforcement. Don't hold me to that, but I think they do. And HPR, this is the Hyper Clean, and here's the best part. These are all made in America. That's what we got to do. We got to buy American products to keep American jobs. So anyhow, just wanted to let you know, HPR, check them out. Get a couple boxes. Tell me what you think. Please leave a comment below and let me know what you think. I do know that Such, over on his channel, shoots HPR almost 100% religiously, and has for quite some time, and speaks highly of them. So we're going to make sure they do what they say they're going to do. I'm going to show an action video of them being shot. I don't think he's ever reviewed any of the Black Ops though, not yet. He just uses the regular, 223 and then pistol. I don't think, I may have one up on him here on the Black Ops. But anyhow, go to HPR, check them out, get a box or two, tell them Gunner sent you, and I will see you very soon. Thanks again, everybody, for stopping by.